Brother? Yes, brother? Well, there's a package from GW. Really? And what is in it? Well, supposed to be a miniature for Warhammer Plus, you know? What's barking? It's just a fluffy muffin. Ding! Okay, let's open it. Oh boy! What is it? Well, it's this thing. Well, let's see how it looks from the inside. It's pretty freaking small. Well, it's supposed to be a miniature. Yeah, but I don't know. I didn't expect that exactly, brother. Well, let's open it. Well, slap my butt and call me sissy. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. Look at this! I thought that we are getting a complete figure. But no, we even have to glue it together. Awesome! So, what do you think, brother? Is Warhammer Plus worth it? No. Well, if you get, each month, when there's something to watch, okay, like Hammer and Bolter, Angels of Death, all of that, but for such a thing? No, absolutely not. Well, you do have me to paint, Gotta be painted. It's a golden Astartes. Yeah, brother, you have to be a golden Astartes, and this is, kinda ridiculous. But we'll see what's gonna happen if we can manage someday. Don't forget about the Wonder Woman Superman statue. Oh yes, that too.